So I kind of made a purchase, a really big purchase. And I mean really big. So this, guys, is obviously a gaming PC by Power. And it comes with a mouse, keyboard, and it comes with an i7 770 GPU, 16 gigs of RAM, a 1060 GTX NVIDIA graphics card, which is dope. I forget the power supply, but I didn't want to pay another $500 and get it water cooled, because it's fine, to be honest. And I got all the stuff back here, my two other PCs I had, and then I need to get my other monitor set up. But I'm trying to enable all this blah blah blah. Don't worry about this, don't worry about this. Unless you like gaming, then go follow my gaming channel. I'll probably link it down below. But guys, this cost me a hefty $1,200. And then I went ahead and bought an upper plenum thingy right there, if you guys can't see it. And then an intake and a spacer. I think it cost me like $500 off American Muscle. So that is what I'm going to be doing for today. And then, okay, it's been like a day now since he bought it. But you guys remember how Donovan bought the GT and then we towed it home? Well, the next day he bought a fucking Mach 1. Boys, he bought a Mach 1 the next freaking day. You know what's stupid too?
I was a little upset GT didn't run, needless to say.
Yeah, he was super upset. And I was going to buy this exact freaking one. Super butthurt. But we got to change the starter.
Not even just the same like style car, same car.
Literally same
this
car.
Exact.
I didn't even tell him about it too, and he brought it home the next day. I was like, what?
I surprised him with it.
But yeah, we had to change the starter since the starter went out the next day as well. So two Mustangs broken down, one after another.
Good luck, right? They're both dope though.
Alright, well, we decided not to get the starter since it would take way too long. Woo! So smacked it a couple times. And now we have to push it out and jump it. Hopefully it works out.
Kind of killed it pushing it over here with the lights on.
So I got the door.
Okay, Cody. I'll push it. You go start the Mustang.
Woo! More Mustangs?
This Mach 1 is Donovan powered. E-brake off. Turn the wheel a little right. Lift up while pushing the button in. Woo, guys. I hope you can see that. Oh, let's see if I can get zoomed in on you for it. That top is literally just steaming. That car is so hot. Woo! You ready?
Shut up.
Turn it right a little.
She's back, boys. She freaking back. Screw the V6. It got the V8. Woo! We had to lock up the shop and put the truck back in. Yeah. That's the only shitty part.
Alright, babe.
can put the part in the passenger seat. Alright, guys. I will see you in the morning with upgrading those parts. And hopefully I put in, you know, the 60s mile per hour launch. I think I did something wrong because it felt weird. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, boys? Well, today I'm going to finally try and put my exhaust fully on. Get all, you know, the shitty tools, you know, from Stanley and whatever the fuck that is. These aren't mine, these are Donovan's, which there's the Mach 1 just sitting there. Then there's shitty GT. Is it on manual focus? Yep. Focus, there it is. But I went out, I did the cheap way, and I got some adapters, so hopefully this fits over the exhaust, because I got the bigger end for the welded part that I cut, and this for the tailpipe. It was like 2 inches, so hopefully this fits. And then I got exhaust clamps, of course, can't go wrong with these. And then I'll probably get a new exhaust pretty soon, but I don't know. But also I lost a freaking lug nut, and some of these were loose. I don't know why. Then look how shitty that rotor is, dude. I need new brakes for this. There's a lot of things I actually need for this car, but I don't know if I want to try to put money into this or find a. I can probably get a Mach 1, to be honest, but I don't know if I want to spend like 10 grand. But it might be worth it to buy that because it's a Mach 1. It's got like 305 horses. Or a Cobra swap. Leave it down below. Cobra swap or Mach 1 swap in this. It'll be so much cheaper. I don't know what to do. Hey, let's do this. Alright, guys. Well, instead of trying to weld this whole pipe, I got really dumb and went to O'Reilly's and bought an adapter. This might leak, to be honest. This looks garbage. One adapter here, and a 2 3/4 here, and a 2 1/2, and 2 1/4, I do believe. This fits on there pretty well, but this is garbage. It feels like garbage. It looks like garbage. But if it doesn't sound too bad, doesn't leak, we have to do that side, but we have to take this to the shop real fast and get part of this grinded down, like right there. That little guy right there. Get that grinded down, and then put the exhaust on. Go to the car wash, you know, because this thing needs it. Probably can't even tell. Yeah, silver does not really show dirt that well. But I also need to put my new tires I have on, because those are not what I want on. They're like 235 and not my 245s like my brand new ones on front. So, God, that sounds bad. Ew. Got my keys? Mm-hmm. Alright, exhaust clip. Here you go, boy. See how bad it drones in the morning. That was that. Now we gotta go to the shop.